Okay, so we are live here and Sunday Live. Welcome to the Sunday Live. I hope you all are good, fine, best, doing your good stuffs. And let me check my microphone. Everything is fine. So we have Nishant with us. Sovit is here. Thank you, Nishant and Sovit, for joining. I have a different setup. The camera is little high, and here is my laptop. So when I see your messages, I have to see downward. Otherwise, this is the camera, and you can see the lightings are nice. So I hope you're going to like this setup. So Om Purohit is there, Vikas is there. Thank you, Vikas, for joining this Sunday Live. And as you may know, I'm doing this 100 days of AWS challenge, and this is the 13th day today. And today I learn about Route 53 in AWS. So if you have any knowledge of AWS, then you can obviously assist me or you can suggest me something. If you don't have the knowledge of AWS, you can join my 100 days of AWS challenge, which I'm doing uh, for 100 days. And the repository is very simple: github.com/sarthak/savvy/100 days of AWS. So you can go there, everything, what course I'm following, everyday learning, handwritten notes, and the videos. Everything is there. So you will going to find everything there. So I hope that will be good for you. And once again, if you are not subscribed to Bitfume's YouTube channel, go and subscribe. And actually, I have to say, you have to subscribe the newsletter, but in the flow, YouTube comes. So you will find the link. It is pinned somewhere here, somewhere here. Okay, at the top on the chat section. So you will find the Discord link also and the newsletter link. Okay, so Amitabh is there. Hey, new setup, great look. You look fully charged and fit. Yes, Amitabh, fully charged and fit. And I'm going to message you after that because we need to work on something we are doing, and we will going to reveal that very soon what we are working on, like me and Amitav creating something, and that will be amazing and that will be helpful for every developer, whether he's a newcomer, like newbie, or experienced. So that's going to be amazing. Nishant, how feeling after vaccination? So after vaccination, like for 1 day, I was feeling very lazy and had some fever also. But I took the paracetamol, so it was not affected much. But yeah, after 1 day, I'm back with full energy and yeah, excitement. So it's nothing, no worries if you have any kind of headache or any kind of fever. Do not worry about that. It will be just for 1 day maximum, and you will be fit again. So if you watch Flash, so there is a Velocity X injection in Flash. So I feel like I took Velocity X. So let's see. Pratik is there. Is there any one who haven't subscribed to this stream yet? Have a great life. It's contented awesome. Thank you, Pratik, for this awesome comment. And it really great. And if you have not subscribed, yes, you can subscribe to YouTube channel. That's amazing. That's really great. Great. So I was also planning for the Flask course we are having. So we have amazing Fast API course. We have amazing Django course, and next I'm planning for the Fast API course. That would be great, I believe. How to become a successful freelancer? So, to become a successful freelancer, first you have to build your portfolio. And for that, you need to create an easy to understand website or GitHub repository. Plus, you have to be active on dev communities, especially on Twitter and LinkedIn. So, if you are sharing your knowledge, if you are helping others on these platforms, That's not only going to enhance your knowledge, but when you are helping other, your network will expand. And freelancing is all about networking. So you always have to expand your network to become a successful freelancer. That's the key to success in freelancing, actually in everything, but especially in freelancing. And build portfolio and expand your network. Chat with people, maybe you know or you don't know. So create a good connections. Okay. Nishan says, "Did you reach max speed after shot?" I tried, but it will be like uh, today. I'm going to try. So my max speed, and you know what I do? I do tutorials, videos, and learning. So if that speeds up, I will be happy on that. How to practice AWS if I have no account? I don't think you can do that without having account, because account is very important. Very, like, you need to have that AWS account, and do not worry about that. You can use your credit card or your friend's credit card. If you are deleting everything from your AWS account after learning, and if you have set up the budget, then it's going to cost you $1 or $2 maximum once you create and try things. So once you do $2 per month, I'm saying. So if you took 3 month, so maximum 4 to $5. That's, I think, bearable. That's your learning process. So I believe you can have AWS account. Be alert, check your billing daily, and if something goes wrong, just quickly just ping to this AWS support and say that, hey, I'm just learning. You can check my activities, and if something you got high bill, then you can ask AWS to revert that. They will going to support you if you are learning. So I believe that's going to be helpful. Okay. Is academic score matter for MNC? No, never. Academic score doesn't matter in MNC. In MNC, only talent and your skill matter. So see, you cannot reach MNC without having a proper skill, because they, yes, they will ask for your academics so that they will get your background, but that's just a part of the process. That's not required. They will not going to judge you with your academics or your college name or your like what you did in your academics. No, nothing. They will only going to judge you what they want. If you are applying for Java developer in MNC, if you are applying for a front end developer in MNC, they will going to judge you on that thing, not on your academics. So do not worry. Even percentage doesn't matter. People say that, oh, hey, I'm 90%, I can easily get job in MNC. No, never. If you even have 60%, 50%, but you are really skilled, you have a great knowledge of your domain, you are going to kill it. You will going to get the job. So don't worry about that. Academics help to reach the big companies? I don't think so. Your connection always make your reach. uh, it's not matter with the academics. See, if you have a high academic uh, record, if you are from a big college, what that mean? Bigger college, reputed college means they are having a reach to that company. So you can itself, you can yourself create connection. So no need for academics. Obviously, that's, I'm saying that it's not required, but if you have it, it's an add-on. It's a good. Three polytechnic हो गया है Laravel framework क्या मुझे. I don't think if so this person is saying that he has a 3 year polytechnic diploma and 2 year of experience, and he is saying that is it good to join next degree? I would say instead of joining and taking a next degree, work on your skill and expand your network always. This is the best way to get a high paying job, or if you are a freelancer or owning a company, everything is going to be good if you have a good friends, good circle, and a nice network. How to create good connection? That's a nice question. If you help someone, that's going to make your connection. So if let's take my example, I'm doing this live every Sunday, I'm sharing my knowledge on every video. Why nobody is going to pay me? Yes, YouTube is paying, but that's just very very less, very 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 less. So why I'm doing this? Because I want to make my connection. You know me, I know you. Why? Because somehow I helped you, somehow you are helping me. So it's a mutual help, and this actually create connection. So work on helping others in any way, any possible way. If you even know HTML, share the knowledge of HTML on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, everywhere. Everywhere, just share your knowledge and be consistent. You have to be patient while creating the connections. Be genuine with the persons. uh, Once in a week, have a call, video call with unknown person you don't know. Learn about that person, ask them to share their story, share your story. It's all about like making new friends. So I think everyone know how to make new friends. Hey Sarthak, what is your main stack at the moment? So main stack, you can say I'm Laravel as a backend, and sometime Python Django as a backend, or in a front end, React is the go-to framework, but sometime Vue.js. So you can say I always feel Laravel with React. That's my preference, but Laravel with Vue is amazing, and Django is with React also good. So this is the basic, you can say, stack I do. Hey Tanzim, good morning. Okay, as Sun says, good to use package and gate and policies in Laravel for authorization. Yes, that's not a problem. You can use anything. See, there is nothing good or bad. Everything depends upon the circumstances and the use case. People feel like gate is good if you have one or two kind of authorization. If you have a lot of authorization for different kinds of endpoints or different kinds of models, then use policies. Then if you have to expand more, if the complexity become high, then you can use some package. So everything depends upon the use case. But if you have a lot of gate, it doesn't matter, it's wrong. It's just how you want to manage your code. So you can use anything. When your node course is coming, Hamza. Okay, so Hamza, I'm literally working on this 100 days of AWS challenge every day, 3 to 4 hours, sometimes 5 hours for just for 100 days of AWS. So I'm taking time from this and try to create the node course also. Sure. Your inspiration, you guys always these live session I do, the response I get on my videos. And when really when people get some job, I get some good project and clients through my video. If someone uh, is messaging and someone is commenting like, hey Sarthak, because of you I got job, that was the super high moment for me. That's inspiration, that's motivation, everything you can say. So yeah, thank you for sharing your story, share asking questions and coming to this live, because every Sunday I'm excited, I'm motivated to do this live. And that's really amazing. Your daily routine. Okay, so nowadays what I'm doing, from 8:30 or sometime 9 to 12, um, I work on this AWS, like 100 days of AWS challenge, sometime 9 to 1, sometime 9 to 2. So half of my day goes to AWS, then I rest sometime like 1 hour, 2 hour. And after that, I start working on my video courses. And in the night, sometime I work on video courses also, sometime I record videos, sometime I work on my side projects on my website bitfumes.com. So it matters what's the urgent thing or what's required. So this is the work daily routine. Can you make a website like vaccine appointment system? See, yes, we can create vaccine appointment system. That's going to be amazing. Thanks for the idea. This is great. Backend frameworks like Rails, Django, backend frameworks are similar. Yeah, sorry, Laravel is inspired from Rails, Ruby on Rails, so that's going to be almost similar. Django is little different, but it's really amazing. Django got second vaccine, hurts head a lot. Yes, sure, it hurts. Sometime you get headache. That's you can say like body is adapting this the vaccine, and this is the side effect of adaptation. So it's not bad, it's good. So see, when you go for when you play cricket for 2 hour, 3 hour, or max 5 hour, then you feel pain in your head, pain in your legs, sometime in your hand. So what do you call that? Is that a side effect, or is it bad, or is it good? So it is same, like you are doing something for good, and you have to bear some changes in your body. How to create good connection? Meher, keep your friends, keep your enemies closer. Huh. Nice, nice one. Okay, that's good. Krishna, how are you? How's your week? So, Krishna says, could you make a video on using Laravel to communicate with DB2? What is DB2? Let me search DB2. Okay, DB2 is IBM DB2 family. Cool, got the point. We'll try that. Teaching is the best learning method. Yes, Khadem, teaching is the really best method. You know why? Because when you have to teach something, you have to understand it very well. You have to prepare yourself for the answers the people will going to ask on your teaching. So it's always a win-win situation. You learn, and people will also going to learn from your teaching. So that's really great. Okay, okay, okay. Hey Sarthak, 100 days of AWS is super awesome. Thank you, Padam. And it's really great that people are joining. You know, on my 100 days of AWS challenge GitHub repository, we have more than 400 likes. It's really great. 400 stars we have. And in just 15 days, it's really mind blowing. The response is really mind blowing. Sorry, bro, I don't understand this language. Okay, so here's the translation. So, Raito, do you recommend making clones to learn front end? See, it's not about what you are making, it's about just making. So, making the clones always going to help you, because you have something in your eyes or something in your mind that I want to create something like this. So once you have the end result, you are always motivated to complete that thing. You have the target in your mind. So it's always a good thing to start with cloning things. But I'm not saying cloning is the best way. It's just one of the way. So So you always have to start with the the thing you are comfortable. So I believe that clone clone of any website, if you try to do that, that's always going to help you. So that's the easy path. You can start with this. I tried all the way of communicating with the DB2 with PHO, not working. Okay, we'll try that. Can you say something about JWT? Where should JWT should be stored? HTTP only cookie, local storage, and in which one is secure and trending? Okay, so Anish, there are many ways of doing this thing. So see, uh, local storage is never recommended because and then how will you going to pass it? HTTP cookies are good way to store um, your token or JWT token. Generally, people prefer this thing, but you can also use the local state of front end. If you are using Vue or React or Angular, any front end framework, you can use the local state of that application only. So your token will always be on the application token. The worst part of this is that you always have to ping your backend to get the token every time someone refreshes. So that's a bad point. So you have to make sure you do something for that. And what you said, one more, secure and trending. So it's not about trending. So in my opinion, trending is cookies, and it's secure in the sense that if someone get your token, he will only going to get the token for that user only. Okay, so if I am logging to your website, I can see the cookies and I can grab the token, and that token is for myself only. So I don't think this is a security threat, but obviously there will be a security everywhere. Security breach, you can say. Learning path of web development for beginner. Ankit, you can start with free code camp. I am damn sure it is going to be helpful for you, and you can also start following many people in uh, Twitter. Twitter is really great for newcomers or for experienced people also, to get it started with the basics of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything. What is the best view and or React for front end with Neeraj? I always say there is nothing best or worst thing. Like, so what I can suggest, if you are good in Vue, then Laravel and Vue is combination is good. If you know React very well, Laravel and React combination is good. But at a different point of view, if you can see what industry want, what company want React more than obviously Vue.js. So I would recommend you to learn React if you are targeting to get a high paying job. So get the React and obviously Laravel. So that will be amazing for you. So you ask why your channel is not growing. My suggestion is make a 10-hour WordPress course, like making custom templates from scratch. Tanzan, you are absolutely right. I know that if I can create 10 hour of WordPress, that's going to be a blast, and that will also going to make my channel super high. But what I can do, I don't know WordPress. I really don't like WordPress, and because you have suggested this, I'm going to try it, and I'm going to see how I can literally use WordPress and create the custom template. Thank you for your suggestion. Hey Reverse, how are you? How was your week and weekends? Can I know how much money you get from YouTube screencast? Okay, it's not a big deal. I share the stats sometime. So yes, like last month I got around $500 from YouTube only, and that was because of my fast API course did very well. But last to last month it was 470 somewhere. so $470. So on an average you can say that it's around $500. But keep in mind that this is my fourth year of YouTube. So after 4 year, after spending 4 year of my life on this YouTube channel, I'm still getting only $500. But that is because of my mistake, you can say, or my problem with the different technology. As the Tanzan says, I'm not doing any catchy thing, I'm not doing any WordPress which is very famous. So maybe because of that my channel is not growing. And otherwise, if you are spending 4 to 5 year on a YouTube channel, it would be like 400 500K or sometime million followers. So you will make 2 times or 3 times of this whatever I'm getting. So yes, that's a side effect, but this is my stat for nowadays. Is the 10 plus LPA in hand too much for asking for fresher in data science? I don't think that's too much, but again, that depends upon the company you are asking. So if I'm at your place, um, if I'm applying for Google, I'm going to ask for 50, 60, 70 LPA. Otherwise, if it is a normal startup, I would ask for 20, or if it is a normal company, I would ask for 10. If it is just a very new or very like just a simple company, even 5 6 is also good for me. So it depends upon the company. Next, it depends upon your skill, how much you know your reality better than anyone else. So keep in mind that if you are asking for that much amount, is it really worth for you? Are you able to contribute to that company for that much amount of knowledge or that much amount of skill? So evaluate yourself and then ask what you feel you are good at. Compare with some person who is getting higher than yours, higher salary than you. Compare your knowledge with that person. Are you better than that person? Then obviously going to ask uh, more than your friend. So see, this is the thing. I think this my camera is not charging. Okay, it's exhausted, and I need to switch for my, just a minute. Okay, so this is very bad, and just 1 minute, it will going to be charged, and then we will back with the camera. Okay, how to learn spoke English? uh, that's very bad. I would say try to speak in front of many people, and people will going to correct you. Like I learn by doing this YouTube. Why I'm saying this? I learn by doing this YouTube videos and things. Let me try this. Okay, I think it's okay. Let's change back. Whoa, I need to zoom it. Yo, how to make all file inside vendor packages? How to make all file inside? I didn't get that, Ravish. Please explain. Thank you, Shresht. Thank you very much, and love you too, bro. Okay, is that anything I missed? No. Okay, so how to be a YouTube millionaire? Ask PewDiePie or Mr. Beast. I'm not a good person to ask this. But Tanzim, your questions and your suggestions are always really amazing. Which certification should I go for, AWS practitioner or developer associate? I would suggest developer associate if you are a developer, because that's needed and everyone want. Anyone can do the practitioner, so that's not a good, I believe. Please share some resources of AWS CSA preparation. Okay, so currently I'm learning this AWS, and you can find the GitHub repository like github.com/sarthak/100 days of AWS. It's very easy. /sarthak/100 days of AWS. So this repository is including all the resources uh, I'm referring, and my daily handwritten notes of the learning plus the hands-on. So everything is there day by day. So after completing this, yes, I'm going to try for the certification, and then I'm going to share the resources also. So make sure you follow or star that repository so that you will always going to get the update about whatever I'm doing. I'm admit due to vaccination. Oh, really? What happened, Hemant? How much per hour charge for what? Like, for what kind of developer? Front end developer, back end developer, designer? What's your ask? How to get freelancing project for beginner? Okay, freelancing project for beginner. Once again, the very simple thing is, if you try Upwork, then you have to ping many people, start for very less amount, or you can make your connection. I always say that make your connections on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Help people so that they will know you, what you do, and sometimes you can uh, like shamelessly ask that I'm looking for project. I'm proficient in Laravel, React, whatever your strength is. Just share, just ask people that, hey, I'm available for any freelancing work. It's not bad for if you ask for any kind of project. It's not bad thing. Okay, so I think I missed question. Let me. Okay, sorry about that. Sir, how to possibly getting the data in Laravel in data table? Because before data is stored in database, so I need admin approval. Then after data approved by admin, I think getting data in Laravel on data table. I think you have to create an API, and in a data table there is something which is there is a like trigger. Once the data table loads, it's going to hit a endpoint. You need to do that. I'm not sure about your question, but this is what I got. What is the best front end framework for Laravel 8? Vue and React both are good. Choose anyone. No worries. Sir, please, Django and Laravel for a school management system. Cool. Sure, we'll try. Thanks for helping. That's great. Please explain what is facade in Laravel. Okay, so see, facade is basically a way to call your non-static method as a static method. So how this is going to work? Actually, I have a video about that. If you can search facade bitfumes, if you just search this thing, facade bitfumes, then you will going to get that video, and I have explained it very easily, but I can explain it here also. So facade is simply a PHP class with a magic method of call static. Okay, so that means once you call any static method, so suppose my facade is user, I call it user get first. So this is the facade I have created. So user is a facade, get first is a static method I'm calling. But in this user facade, there will be no get first method. What it include? It include a magic method for call static. That call static will actually see the real user repository. So it will see if user repository contain a non-static method of get first, then it's going to call it and return the result to that static method called by user facade. So this is a little Complicated, I'm not saying complicated, it's a little little fuzzy, I can say. So yes, that video is going to help you. So facade is very very amazing thing. If possible, make video on that's done actually. Bye bye. Can you bid and do a project for from Upwork and share the video from video to client transfer? I I think my Upwork account is now deactivated because I have not logged in for so long, like more than 1 year. But and that's not an easy thing to get any client in Upwork. You have to be consistently looking and like bidding for different account, different projects for more than 1 to 2 months. Then if you are lucky, you will get the first client and then your journey starts. So that's a big process. I don't think that's feasible on doing a video. Then shot my body, got fever 105 last 7 paracetamol will work. Oh my god, so that's very bad. Okay, so Hemant, I wish for your fast recovery, and your champion, bro. I'm sure you are going to fight it and come back with the full power. And why don't you try Upwork past part time? I don't need it because whenever I need to have uh, any project, I ask my network, I ask my friends. So that's why I always say that if you have a network, if you have your good friends, you can ask them. Or if you are active in social media, you can shamelessly say that, hey, I'm looking for any freelancing work. If you have, just give me. Simple, no problem with that. Covishield. Oh, Covishield. It happened 1 out of 2. Even you are not that lucky. How much dollar you charge for per hour for your client? It's not like that. Sometime I had started with $5, then I took 10 as my experience, as I got the experience. Then 20, 25, sometime 30 also. But very very like on an average it's like 10 to 15. And I never tried that kind of thing. So I only did 3 projects for my whole career as a freelancer. So 5, 10, and 25. That's the three uh, freelancing work I did as a per hour. So I never did that. Oh, Heyman. So everyone just ping Heyman because he is getting $40 per hour for doing this uh, like freelancing work. So just ask him how he get that. Can share step by step journey to web development. We'll try to do that. Sure. With WordPress, you can select theme development, which is easier, plugin development, add-on development, headless WordPress with React and Gatsby. Tenzin, you are turning me into from Laravel to WordPress developer. That's not good. Hemant, take care, bro. Please, is the Laravel millionaire, right? I want to learn Lambda. Will it be covered in 100 days? Yes, sure, definitely. And that's a really exciting part. I'm always like, I'm excited for that day when I will do the Lambda thing. So that's really nice. What do you think about web scraping as a career? I have never done that. I don't know about that. Sorry, Nikhil, not a good person to answer this. So I think I'm going to end this live because I need to get back to my 100 days of AWS challenge, creating the videos and screencast, publishing them, updating the GitHub repository, everything I do daily. I have to do that. So that's why I'm not able to do this long Sunday live. Otherwise, I will generally do at least 1 hour of Sunday live. So we'll try to extend the Sunday live more than 1 hour next Sunday. So we will I will see you. We will see each other next Sundays. But let's answer some of the question. Any idea about course on JS? Doing course on JS? I already have one JS course, so you can check 10 hour of video making Shopify app with Laravel. What people are doing. Shopify is booming, right? Right. Can you make a title of server manager for web developer? Let me just finish 100 days of AWS, but then I will surely do that. Okay, so this is the time to end this live, the Sunday live, and thank you for joining. If you have not subscribed to YouTube, same. If you have not subscribed to Bitfume's newsletter, check out the link at the top of this chat section and you will find the newsletter link. Join the newsletter. Every Monday I share something and some cool stuff, amazing things. So that's great. And you can also join the Discord channel for any kind of discussion. So till then, goodbye. Tada. We will meet on next Sunday. Bye bye.